Is your work pending due to shortage of manpower? Well, our Quick Connect MCBs can come to your rescue. This MCBs use cage clamp arrangement as against standard screw termination, which saves substantial amount of time. One can achieve more than 30% reduction in installation time by using the specially designed Quick Connect MCBs. Flexible wire can be terminated by pressing the actuator and inserting the wire in the groove, whereas no tool is required for terminating the rigid wire. With Quick Connect MCBs, cable can be terminated in a mere 1 to 2 seconds as against 10 to 15 seconds required with standard MCBs. So, shortage of manpower? No problem. Quick Connect MCB will get your work done in a jiffy.